In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage team permissions within your platform. This guide will help ensure your team members have the appropriate access to the records they need, allowing your workflow to be as efficient and effective as possible. Let's dive into the process. First things first, you'll want to locate the settings icon. You can find this icon nestled within your main navigation bar. Clicking on it will open up a menu of various options and settings that you can adjust. The main navigation bar is your gateway to customizing your experience and maintaining the necessary controls over your account settings. Once you're in the settings window, you'll want to look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a variety of categories catering to different aspects of your system's management. What you're looking for is the Users and Teams section. This is where you'll be able to manage permissions linked directly to user accounts and team configurations. Now that you're in the Users and Teams section, turn your attention to the upper part of the screen and click on the Teams tab. At this stage, you'll be presented with a list of all the teams associated with your account. Find the particular team whose permissions you wish to modify. To proceed with editing their permissions, click on the Edit button associated with that team. Next, you'll be brought into a detailed view of your selected team. Scroll down until you find the Permissions section, which is crucial for defining what your team members can and cannot access. Within this section, you'll need to identify the specific object you want to manage. This could be anything from contacts to deals, depending on what your team needs access to. After locating the object you're interested in, you'll notice a drop-down menu right next to it. Give that a click. In order to set the permissions effectively, you'll want to select their team's objects. What this does is allow permissions to be granted to records owned by anyone on the team. It's a simple, effective way to ensure that all necessary team members have the access they need without exposing records to those not on the team. Finally, once you've made your selection from the drop-down menu and confirmed that everything looks good, make sure to save your changes. You'll find the Save button, typically located at the bottom of your screen, easy to spot. Clicking it will ensure that all the modifications you've made are applied, completing the process of managing team permissions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your team permissions, streamlining access to records, and enhancing your team's productivity. Remember, maintaining correct permissions is key to both security and efficiency within your organization. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.